This is the summary created from the video. Lecture 8 Multimedia Presentation Understanding the Basics. Multimedia integrates text, image and sound components to create effective presentations and communication, where each element contributes to the overall meaning and impact. In examining the relationship between text and images, we explore how their positioning, significance, and interaction generate unique meanings, further enhanced through the addition of audio. The concept of text as imagery is exemplified in the art of concrete poetry, where calligrams blend calligraphy and poetry, and contemporary contexts animate text to convey attributes and emotions. Typography itself has the power to convey emotions like elegance, antiquity, and sophistication, as seen in shape poetry, concrete poems, and commercial typography, where text visuals are leveraged to persuade and communicate. Text animations take this a step further, conveying meaning through behavior and movement, with colors and motions signifying emotions like fear, anger, or calm, creating emotional impact and making them useful for presentations. The interactive meaning of text and image combinations is profound, as images and texts interact to convey radically different meanings, with titles and captions generating expectations and shifting the perception of images and stories. This manipulation of perception through text and images is a powerful tool, as demonstrated by an experiment where aesthetic versus factual context changed focus points and led to exploratory or focused viewing, shaping perceptions through emotion induction. In summary, multimedia integrates components for impactful communication, where text-image positioning, typography, text animations, and image-text combinations manipulate perception, aid persuasion, and create emotional impact, making multimedia a powerful tool for communication and behavior change. Please stay tuned for more summary videos.